Who's that? Who's that guy? Who is that guy? Who's that? Is that you? Who's that guy? Who's that? Who's that?
Hunter.
Yeah, it is. Who's that? Who's that guy? Huh? Is that you? Who's that guy? Yeah, that's you. What are you doing? Who is that? Here comes trouble. Who is that? Smoosh your face. Smoosh your face. Hey, can you give me his bank right there, Hunter? Hunter, give me his bank right there. Hunter.
Ink a bank, a bottle of ink.
Let's try that. Let's try that. Oh, there we go.
Can I see?
See? No, Pedro. Not at the table. What's up? What's up? Fight the power. Fight the power. Ah, no, easy. Who's that?
It's Black Friday at Verizon.
Who's that guy?
Everything else.
Who is it? Is that you?
Verizon Black Friday is here.
Can I see?
7 for free. A 7-inch tablet with HD display. Perfect for those on the go. Or the Droid Racer HD.
What the heck?
Limited edition.
What the heck?
You dropped your bank.
To share photos with a single swipe. Also free. Korean sale and
Oh yeah, hold on. It's coming. There you go. Got it? Got it now? Peekaboo. 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 We gotta touch. Just go right here. Oh, peekaboo. There you go. Peekaboo. No more peekaboo. He's done with that. Take your bank. There you go. Got it? Got it? I know, he can't see. You gotta move your hand so he can see. There he is. There he is. Extreme close up. Hold on, move your hand. I'll do it to you too. Extreme close up. Extreme close up.
Can I push the button now?
Go ahead, push the button. There you go.